Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to get Roblox Studio on Chromebook. Alright, so let's begin with the video. As I don't have Chromebook, but I will show you the exact step on my PC which you need to follow on your Chromebook to get Roblox Studio. So first things first is access your Chromebook web browser, which is the Google Chrome. Then on the search bar, just simply type in Create Roblox. Now what you want to do is choose Roblox Creator Hub. Now, once you'll be routed to this page, you'll have to make sure first that you're currently logged into your account. Now, after that, just simply click on Home. Now, if a Create Now does not appear here, there is also a link that you can press download from Get Roblox Studio. Other thing that you can do is go to Creations and click on Create Experience. Now you'll get a pop-up like this one. All you have to do is open Roblox Studio or download Studio. So that's how quick you can download Roblox Studio on your Chromebook. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.